Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gayatri Biology. So today we are discussing about root and structure of flower, which is the subtopics of a chapter getting to new plants, chapter 7 of class 6. The previous video I have already explained in part 1 about the stem, herbs, shrubs, etc. So those who didn't see my part 1 video, so I provided link of this video in my description box. You can tap on the link and you can watch this. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about root. So what do you mean by root? They help in absorption of water and minerals from the soil. They help in anchoring the plant to the soil. Anchoring means root helps to adhere the plant to the soil. Means root help the plants to firmly attach to the soil. What do you mean by root types? There are two types of root, and they are taproot and fibrous root. So what do you mean by taproot? The main root is called taproot. Later small roots are called lateral roots, branch out from this main root. Fibrous roots क्या होती हैं? These roots are thin and seems to be similar in size, as we can see in the diagram. See first 4.178 taproot. So आप देख रहे हैं, this is a main root, right? And second one is, first one is taproot. This is the main root, and other small root is also arise from this main root. These are called lateral roots. And in the diagram B, fibrous roots, these roots are similar in size and are thin in nature. Okay, now we talk about flower and its structure. What do you mean by flower? A modified shoot which is essentially meant for reproduction of the plant. Means flower is the part which have the reproduction part, like male reproductive part and female reproductive part. We will discuss about male and female reproductive part in next slide. You are shown three branches of rose in figure 4.19 A, B and C. Which one will help you best to recognize the plant? So option C, in which stem, root, right? Stem, not root. Stem, leaves, flowers, all the parts of the plant are present in diagram C. So means a branch with leaves and flowers, and B a branch with leaves, and A represent a leafless branch. Okay, what do you mean by petals? Let's study about the structure of the flower. So what do you mean by petals? One of the often brightly colored part of a flower surrounding the reproductive organs. हमने पत्तियाँ देखी होती है ना, प्लांट्स की जो पत्तियाँ होती हैं, these are called petals, which are brighten in color, which attract many insects towards itself. What do you mean by sepals? Small leaf shaped green colored and outermost part of the flower which protect the unopened flower bud. These are called sepals, right? If you remove the sepals and petals, so what do you see? When you remove the sepals and petals from the flower, you can see the other parts of the flower. And what are the other parts? These parts are stamens and pistil. What do you mean by stamens? The male reproductive part of a flower is called stamen, and the female reproductive part of a flower is called pistil. Stamen have two parts as shown in this diagram. See, see this diagram. Here we can see this is the structure of stamen, in which the above portion bilobed structure. Bilobed means two lobe, one lobe, and this is two lobe. Bilobed structure is known anther, and a stalk like structure, this stalk like structure is known as the filament, right? And pistil is the female reproductive part of a flower. This is the structure of pistil, in which three parts are present. The uppermost part is stigma, and stalk like structure, this stalk like structure, this is called style, and the bulging portion or the swelling portion which is present at the bottom, this is known as ovary, right? Now ovary, lowermost and swollen part of pistil is known as ovary. This one part is known as ovary. This one what? Style. This one what? Stigma. Okay, so now we are discussing about ovary. Lowermost and swollen part of pistil is called ovary. What do you mean by ovules? When you cut transverse section or vertical section of a ovary, you can see a small beads like structure present in the ovary. For example, if you cut, this is a transverse section, this is a vertical section, longitudinal section, and this is the transverse section. When you cut it, you find it, this is ovary, and inside ovary there is a bead like structure like this. These are called ovules. So your chapter is finished here. So in the next video we will discuss about the next chapter. So watch my video and support to me, guys. Thank you for watching.